Hey guys, Joey here. So I just wanted to say it's raining. It doesn't happen very often here these days. It seems like we're in a pretty good drought. And I'm sitting in lightning capital of the world. We're of course in Jacksonville. So you can hear the thunder behind me. I mean, this is amazing. I love thunderstorms, and I figured that I would do a quick video. We went from severely hot, like it was so hot and muggy that it's just being outside for 10 seconds and you're starting to sweat already, and that's not an exaggeration. So it's a little chilly, so I'm like, yeah, coming out to enjoy it. I don't necessarily recommend sitting outside. I'm sitting in a covered porch, not always the safest place to be either, but I don't know. I like watching the lightning, so I'm having a cup of coffee and enjoying that. Yeah, I'll let you guys try to, hopefully you'll see some lightning, I don't know, we'll try. Sorry, I had to wipe off the screen there. You can hear the thunder though, it is pretty cool. But it's really pretty here. Let me tell you this. Oh, I don't know. We're missing all the storm, I guess. Here, I'll let you guys enjoy it more. I hope we see something. It'd be great. Yeah, I'm gonna do another video one of these days when it's dark outside, or nighttime I should say, and then you can really get an idea of what the lightning is like, because it's crazy. That's so awesome. It's like the coolest thing. Look at these clouds here, they're just blowing so fast. Yeah, it's been so dry here that, like, we've just had, my goodness, we missed it, but there've just been like non-stop drought here, and so the fires just keep coming, and forest fires and things. And I mean, the forest fires are good because they help a lot of plants germinate, like pine trees and stuff that usually require fire to germinate the seeds. So that's interesting, right? And thank you to all the firemen and all the people that are helping put out these fires, because sometimes they get a little bit big and the houses burn up, and we definitely feel for the families there. So we realize too, being in Florida, it's a huge part of what's always been. It's forest fires, it's part of nature, it's the way it's supposed to be. Of course, that doesn't mean it's nice. So, anyways, guys, this is the storm. This is not too bad, but I figured I would just say a quick hi anyways. I haven't really posted a lot of videos lately, but I will. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe, share the video. It's starting to rain a little bit harder, so I think I'll go in. But see you later.